Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use Claude AI in VS Code. You're going to go over to where you have your extensions, you're going to click on it and then search for Klein. You can see Klein right here, you're going to click on it. Right here you can see Autonomous Coding Agent right in your IDE. It's also showing its verification, so that means we can go ahead and safely install it. Click on Install, click on Trust Publisher and Install. So now that we have it and it's installed, you can see Disable or Uninstall. That means it's there. You can see right here, Get Started for free or use your own API key. You can use any of these options, but we're going to go ahead and say use your own API key. As you can see, using your own API key, you have API provider, open router API key, and all of that. After this, you need to go over to settings. But before we do that, or if we need to do that, we're going to go over to API provider, click on the drop down, and then choose Anthropic. Now we'll need to enter our Anthropic API key. To do this, we're going to open our browser and search for console.anthropic.com. And not to worry, because we'll have this in the description of this video. And then of course, if you're doing this for the first time as well, you're going to click on continue with Google, or if you want to use the other option, you're free to do it. We're going to choose continue with Google. After getting our account on console.anthropic.com, we're going to choose individual. Now what we're going to do is to go over to the top left corner, click on the expand button. Then scroll down to where you have settings, click on settings, then go ahead and click on API keys, and then select create API key. Here it says creating workspace. We're going to leave it in default, and then we're going to name our API key. So we're going to say VS key, or you could name it anything really, and then click on add. And so we now have our API key. You're going to make sure you copy this. This is because you won't be able to view it again. So copy this key and keep it in a safe place. After we have our API key copied, we're going to go over to the Anthropic key, paste our code. And now that it's pasted, we're going to click on Let's Go. And that's how you get to do it. If you click on settings, you can see that it's all been successful. And you can go ahead, click on Done, and start using Claude AI with your Visual Code. Now, if you're wondering why this is not Claude, if you go over to details and scroll down, you're going to see, thanks to Claude 3.7, Klein can handle complex software development tasks step by step. So you can type your task right here and you'll be using Claude 3.7 Sonnet automatically. So this is how to use Claude AI in VS Code.